So I think, yeah. So I think you're able to see my screen, right, everybody? Yeah. So that's one thing. Okay. So there are like two types of packages. One is unmanaged package. So those packages you will be able to extract the components and change the code in it. Okay, so you will be able to change the code inside it as per your logic, like how you want it. Okay, but managed package is something that you will not be able to change the business logic. Okay, if at all, if you wanted to change any business logic in the code components, you will simply have to contact the person who has created this application. Okay, and that person will be helping you to create this, I mean, modify the code components as per your thing, because they kind of have this security, just because like because they don't want you guys to, like you as in like they don't want us to make any changes directly, because once we do that thing, they will not get money, right? So of course, if I am going with a change to them, they're of course going to charge for that, right? So that's why it's called as managed package. And unmanaged package is something, it is available and you can change as per your thing. Okay, and search layouts, of course, you have global search layout. So when I say global search layout, it's going to be this one above the navigation bar, that is called the global search layout. And quick search is something that is available in the object level. Okay, so once you go to this company, uh, sorry, yeah, once you go to company list view page, okay, so you'll be able to see that thing in the this side, right, which I showed you that day. Like this taking a lot of time to load it. Yeah, so this is called a search thing. Okay, and the other thing is lookup search. Lookup search is something that is available within the record. Okay, so here, if at all, if I go to any record, okay, so the search which you wanted to see, right? So if at all, if I wanted to change owner, so this is a lookup field. Okay, so the search which I see it here, right? So this they'll address this as a lookup search. Okay, and pretty much, yeah, these are all the things that I wanted to tell you. And search result, lookup dialog, yeah, object list view, all these things, right? Like compact layout is mini page layout, and search filter field. So you can have a lookup filter. So yeah, even in lookup field, you can have, as I already told you. So imagine in this lookup, I wanted to show only the users who has the profile as system admin. Okay, I can do that. So that's called as lookup field filter. Okay, or search filter field. Okay, lookup filter field or search filter field, so they say that thing. And object list view, which I showed, and object tab is something that you will be finding it here. And yeah, lookup phone dialog, lookup dialog, all these things, you'll be able to pretty much guess it. Okay, so yeah, so this is one of the thing I wanted to tell you. So any doubt, guys? So I'm going to start these topics tomorrow as a fresh one. Okay. So I think yesterday I have taught you about like process builder, I mean workflow process builder, but maybe like we can give some gap to that, because that's all fully automation. Okay. So when I jump into automation fully, I wanted you guys to understand like different concepts, logics, and methods that are used there. Okay. So I just gave you, just actually I thought of taking process builders and flows this week, but maybe once I teach you all these things, right? I think, yeah, this is something, the base of Salesforce, like based on the access, okay, security basis. This is something you always need to know. So once you know all these things, like what each thing does and what is the purpose of each feature, you'll be able to find out like why that field is not able, no, like the field is not visible on the layout, or why that field is not, you know yeah, this particular profile, why he's not able to see but other profile person is able to see. Then you need to simply go to that field and click on that set field level security button, and you will be able to see the checkboxes, right? Like to which field that corresponds to, or anything, right? Like if I take any field here, so if you take account, yeah, account record type, okay, you'll be able to see set field. So this is something that is available in all the uh, object, right? So yeah, record type. So this is something that is provided by Salesforce, account record type. Okay, so that's why you're not able to set the thing, but the one which you created by yourself. So the one which has double underscore C. So these are something that are created by Salesforce admin customly. Okay, so you can click on set field level security, and you will be able to, yeah, you'll be able to edit or have control to which profile you wanted this particular field visible to. Okay, so once I click not visible on this, okay, this particular profile, okay, this particular profile user will not be able to see this field. He will not even know if at all if such field exists, okay, unless or until he's going to look into his peers Salesforce account. Okay, so even his peers, if at all if they have the same profile as him, obviously they are not going to have that in place, right? Because we have said that to with respect to profile. Okay, so yeah, so that's one of the thing. So yeah, I can teach you like tomorrow, guys. Like I can start as a fresh one. Okay, yeah, I need
Yeah,
doubts.
Charan, can you share that? Yeah, I have a doubt. Can you share that process builder page once again? Yesterday you shared now.
uh,
Actually, I was trying to
mm,
set some rules in process builder, but I had some error. I don't know what to do.
yeah, yeah, sure,
Uh,
I can
so if you share that process builder, yeah.
yeah, yeah, I can. Let me go to setup, and so you need to go to setup and type process builder. So once you click on this, you'll be, yeah, it is going to show you all the process builders that are available, including active and inactive. Okay, so both are going to be present, and once you wanted to see whichever all the active, now I've just sorted it, and I've got the active ones first and inactive arranged in the bottom. And this is the uh, the process builder which is active currently. So here itself you need to see which version is active. Okay, so I see version number 6 is active, so I am going to click on this. So currently in place, this particular process builder is inactive. Okay, so yeah, now tell me what's your doubt.
Yeah, that immediate action, I'm not able to set that rules.
You're not able to
Uh,
say.
The first two steps are,
Hmm?
can you scroll it up?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah,
Okay,
first two is over. The set field values now.
okay, okay, this one.
Yeah, in that set field values column, that account is not visible. When I click, when I type the account, that field is not visible there.
Okay, okay. So I think you would have done mistake here. So I have just cloned it. Okay. So once you clone this into a new version, you'll be able to add action or anything. Okay. Now I believe what you would have done is, so now you imagine you wanted to update records. Okay. So you're going to have some name for that action. Okay. Update records. Okay. So update records. You're
Okay.
going to have some. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So you're going to have something like update records, and yeah, okay. So you're going to have something like this is something you have to give mandatory, okay, without which you'll not be able to save. So you need to give some label for that. And this is the one that you need to select, okay? So you can have like two options available. So you can select the opportunity. So
Okay.
it's being created from opportunity, okay? So you need to click on this, select the
Okay.
opportunity record that started your process and click on choose. Okay. So I believe you would have created an account object, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to select this way, and the record type, yeah, you have selected opportunities, and now you will be able to find whatever one which you want. Okay, so these are all the fields that are available in opportunity. Okay, so just try changing this one record type. I believe you would have selected this one, or you would have selected, like, yeah, you can also
Yeah,
select, yeah, you
yeah, I
can
have selected the second one.
second one. You need to select the first one in order to make the fields under opportunity visible here. Okay, and once you select here, this is the one that you will be able to set it, like, if at all, if you wanted to update that type of product to any field value, which is, yeah, in type of, once you create opportunity record in type of product, you'll be having these two values. Okay, so yeah, if at all, if you wanted to update based on this criteria, you can have it. Okay, and imagine,
Okay.
yeah, you can want like close date, you can use like global constant, null, you can have a null, or field reference, you can use any field. Okay, you can link, so you can have something related to account also. So if at all, if you have any account as a lookup field in opportunity, you can have that tagged. Okay, so you can also get the name. So
Okay.
this is something that you can use in field reference. And date, of course, if you want any date, or you can also simply use this function today. Okay, so if at all, if you wanted to have today date to be populated, you can have close date as today, or any logic. Okay, like today minus 7 or something like that. Okay, yeah,
Okay.
so that's one of the things. Yeah, keep trying. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
there's something interesting in
Yeah.
Salesforce Process Builder. So how much ever understanding you have on this, based on this, Flow Builder is going to be easy for you. Okay, because without which I can't explain Flow Builder, because Flow is something that even does the things that you can do using coding part, right? So yeah, so once you are well versed with Flow, yeah, you have lot of demand in market. Okay, so yeah, if you are well versed with the process builder and flow builder, yeah, I recommend you guys to put your fullest focus and concentration on this. Okay, okay, any
Thank
doubts
you, sir.
apart from this, Alagendra, Ashwin, or Kishore, or in today's topic? Okay, guys, so if you guys have any doubt, like in the one which you're creating, or anything, not only the monkey mills document, use case document, or if at all, if you're doing any automations, or yeah, if you're doing it by yourself for trial, and if you are stuck up anywhere, you can reach out to me. Okay, okay, guys, thank you, thanks for
Please
joining.
share the recording.
Yeah, again, actually, I thought of uploading today before the class, but yeah,
Okay.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye.